Good day, sir.
I'm GB Labial.
I'm Joel Nadala.
I'm Carl Jane Diabao.
I'm Ross Patrick Verdida.
And I'm Giovanni Igamayo. And
We are the Group 8.
We're here to perform the fire extinguisher agent, which are starving, cooling, smoldering, or blanketing.
So, let's start.
The method we perform here is the blanketing method. But before that, we should know what blanketing method means. Blanketing method, it is a piece of firefighting equipment used to extinguish a fire in its beginning or initial stage. Fire blankets helps to extinguish small fires at the inception phase. It is designed to remove the oxygen supply from the fire, subsequently smothering it before it can spread and lead to a larger disaster. They can be used on burning combustible materials, electrical equipment, kitchen fires, cooking oil, and others. So, this is how we perform a blanketing method. Once the fire increases, we use a wet cloth to extinguish the fire by putting it on the top of the cooking pan. Next is the starving method. Starvation is achieved by the removal of the fuel burning in the fire. Any combustible materials can be removed or gas or fuel flows shut off. So to extinguish fire using method of starving is to separate the combustible materials. Through this, it will be easier to control and will extinguish much easier. In continuation, cooling method is also one of the most effective methods to use in fire extinction. Removing the heat element of a fire means it cannot spread and will eventually burn out. Water is the most common method of cooling fire and is typically used to fight solid fuel fires. So this is a cooling method. When fire increases, we use the water. The heat generated by the fire is absorbed by the water. This remains effective as long as the water can still absorb the heat. Through this, it cools the fuel source and puts off heat from the fire triangle.